Get out of someday syndrome and be the leader of your life. Hey LinkedIn family, how are you? First of all, I would like to thank you once again for the incredible response that I am constantly receiving for Life Leadership Movement. And it's really amazing to see so many people from across the world who are interested in joining the Life Leaders community and they want to contribute to Life Leadership Movement. Thank you each one of you, it means a lot to me. So today I am going to share the second tool for not postponing the leadership of our life. This tool is called Get Out of Someday Syndrome. Most of us are living our life with what I call someday syndrome. This is a syndrome where we keep on postponing doing something by saying, I will do it someday, and this someday never comes. So how do you get out of this someday syndrome? One simple way which I suggest is set a clear date and time for doing that stuff that you want to do someday. Fix the date and the time. Put it in your calendar. Schedule it. Once you schedule, you put a date and a time, it's more likely that you will do it instead of doing it someday. And when that day and time approaches, please do it. Please take the action. In my next video, I will share one more tool with you to stop postponing leadership of your life. Till then, this is Garima Arora Kannan signing off, and remember to be the leader of your life.